Welcome to the Knowledge Fund IT video. Today we are going to learn about the Python Matplot library. The Matplot is a library. It is the category of the Python. We can use the Matplot library and create the graph using Matplot. Here we are going to use the platform that is Google Colab. It is like the Google Drive. We are using the Google Colab to enhance the code. Let me see the graph types. Here, those are the types of graphs: pie chart, bar chart, column, line, area, donut, bubble chart, spider adder, scatter, comparison chart, stack bar chart. Today, let me see how to draw the bar chart with the help of the Google Colab using Matplot library. Let me move to the practical. I'm going to open the browser. You can choose any of the browser, Google Chrome or the Mozilla Firefox. And now I'm going to go to the link that's called Google Colab. It's like a Google Drive. It's used to collaborate and execute the code. You can execute any language of the code. So let us click this link. We wait for a minute. Take a little bit of time. You can search like the Google Colab. Okay, now I enter to the Google Colab. Here it's same like the Google Drive. We need to create the file. As like we need to click the new notebook. Here we are creating the notebook. That means we are creating the code upon the new notebook. If you want to upload using the existing code, you have to select the Google Drive or GitHub or upload button to use your existing code. But we are now creating the new file. That's why I select new notebook. Let me wait for a minute. Now I need to save the file because that is untitled. So I need to put the name. You can put any of the name. I'm going to create a bar chart. That's why I put the name as bar chart. Don't need to save because there is a Google Cloud, so it automatically save the coding application. So you don't need to save. Okay. Here, when we need to add more codes or add more lines, you need to click the plus icon to add the code. And you need to click on that button, the run button, to execute the code. That's the thing that you need to learn about, how to execute the code and how to create the code in Google Colab. Okay. And here I don't need much of code, that's why I have deleted that. Okay, let me start and do the coding part. Here I'm going to use the Matplot library. So I need to import the Matplot because it is we are getting the Matplot library from the Python, but we need to import. When you want to use any of the libraries, the first step we need to import the file. So import the library name is matplotlib because lib means the library. So import plotlib. It is the matplotlib is retry from the Python library. It is the subclass of the Python library. So I need to import that library. I need to put that library in an object. So I assign the object that called PLT. That's why I put as PLT. Now we're going to execute the code. Let me wait for a minute. Yes, you can see observe the green color tick because the code has been implemented successfully. If it's wrong, you can observe the red color, the wrong icon or the red color mark icon, and below the code you can see what one which line has been failed, or what are the remedies you need to fix that issue. Okay, but now we have successfully executed the code, so don't need to worry about that. So let me add the code because we need to add more lines. So I click the plus code. Yes. Then I'm going to draw the bar chart for a student marks. Normally in the bar chart, there's two axes that's called X and Y axis. In X axis, we are getting some of the variable. Here, I'm going to present the marks, different subjects. I'm going to take the different five subjects and represent the five subjects name in X axis. And in Y axis, I'm going to represent the student marks. So let's I have chosen the variable to represent in an array. So let's start the code. So first of all, I will put the name of the x-axis variable. I need to put five subjects. So I'll write the code subjects. You can put any of the name because I need to represent the five subject marks. That's why I put the variable as subject. Inside of the array, I need to put the five subject marks. Sorry, I need to put the double quotes and I need to assign to subject name. First I add the name as English. Then I'll add months. Then I'll put science. Then I'll put health. Then I need to add more subject. But I'll put subject as dance. Okay, now I have added the subjects. The number of subjects I have added. Five subjects I have added inside of the array. So we prepare the variable for the x-axis. Then we need to assign the variables for the y-axis. That is the student marks for the above subjects. So I put assign the variable as marks. So I'm writing marks equal to, again I need to put the array. So the marks are integer, so don't need to put the double quotes. But here the subjects, those are strings. That's why I put the double quotes. So here inside of the marks array, don't need to put the double quotes. You can openly add the marks in the number array. I put 45, 48, 56, 98. I have added 4, one more, 39. Okay. Now I have prepared the x-axis variables and y-axis. In x-axis, I prepared the subject. In y-axis, I have prepared the marks. Okay, I'll run. Yes, it's actually as I don't need to show the output is not visible, but the code has been successfully executed. We need to showcase the graph. Here I assign the variable. Sorry for the assign the library and import the library and put and store that import in a PLT object. So I need to call that object, that is PLT, in the line 1. So I put PLT dot. I need to call the method that because we are going to draw the bar chart, and here according to the bar chart we need to gather the variables. Those are the two variables, subject and the mark. So inside of the bar method we need to include both parameters. They are subject and mark. We declared in the circle line, so we pass those two variables, subject, mark. Okay. Then we need to show the graph, display the graph. So according to the Python, there is a method that called show. So we need to use that. Sorry, we need to before that showcase of the library, we need to put the title. So I put the title for the graph because it's a bar chart. We need to know about the meaning of the bar chart, whether it is about the school or the information or the description of the title. So I assign the title. The title is also a method. I put the graph for student. You can prefer and add any of the text inside of the title method because it is a string. You can put it in your own word. Here I'm going to show the graph because I need to display the graph. That's why I use the show method. Don't need to put the parameters like subject and marks because we have already passed inside of the bar method. So only we call the show, and after showing we need to close that method. So I PLT dot close. Then I not execute the code. Yes. Yes, and the title, here you can see there are 5 subjects as in the line 3 subject English, Maths, Science, Health, and Dance. Now also you can see the English 45, Maths 38, Science 56, 98, Health 39, Dance. Yes, it's working fine. Then again, let me see. Then we learn how to change the figure size. That means the graph image size. So again, there's a method in the Python that is figure. So inside of the figure, we need to put the parameter called FIG size. Inside of the FIG size, we need to pass the parameter both the width and the height. I put width as 10 and height as 5. Here again, I'm going to copy and paste the code below because both are same. So I just copy and paste it here. PIT charger. Again, done the same step and close. I'm going to execute the code. Here you can differentiate both. Here you can observe the difference between both graph image. You can observe the change. Here the width and the height has been increased. You can compare the both with the bar picture. Let me add. If you want, you can manually change the figure size and observe the changes according to that. And then here you can observe the bar color is blue because automatically it appears as blue. If you want to change the bar color, you have to add more parameter inside the bar method, that is color. But when actually when we are assigning the color, you need to select the first letter of the color. If the color of the graph is B, blue, you can put the B. If the color of the graph is yellow, you can put white. So actually now I want to display the bar in color that is green. So I put G and let run and you can see the bar color has been changed into green. Now I changed as red. K. K is for the black because B for blue. That's why the K is for black. And I changed as white. And let's see the change. And I put him. It's like the bluish maroon. Yeah, got it. Thank you for watching.